Hey guys, here's a quick video between Lightning El Drago and Cosmic Pegasus. I know that was a short show, so I'll just show it again. Okay, now let the battle begin. Round 1. Fail. Let it rip. Just gonna relaunch quickly. Big smash, big smash. Oh, Gravity Pegasus on the edge of the stadium. Why do I say Gravity? It's Cosmic. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. It's tie. Round 2. Let it rip. Oh, snipe floor. Looks like El Drago's doing all the smashing. Can't wait till I get a string launcher. Then the Vegas are gonna spin faster, so there's gonna be much bigger smashes. El Drago wins, so 2-1 El Drago. Yeah. Final round. Let it rip. It's rip. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! There's a big smash right. Pegasus right here. Yeah, and then El Drago over there. So looks like there's gonna be final round number 2. Big smash, but looks like there's gonna be a final round number 3. Oh my god. Oh yes. So Gravity, Cosmic, what am I saying? Pegasus is your winner. Thanks for watching, guys. Later out.